let's also talk about the complaints that have been filed. It started off with the BJP approaching, in fact, the police saying that there should be charges against Rahul Gandhi. They've sought for an FIR to be filed against him. The Congress has lodged a counter-complaint accusing BJP of garroting the main entrance, blocking the area, not allowing them to go into Parliament and injuring Mallikarjun Kharge. Listen in to what the delegations of both parties had to say after meeting with the cops.
I have seen his statement on the video that he was pushed from behind and he fell on the other BJP member of Parliament. That is how he got hurt. No one pushed him. It is the rush because it was a मतलब उसका वहाँ पर जो व्यवस्था थी वो व्यवस्था उचित नहीं थी जिसकी वजह से ये हुआ बिकॉज जब ये मालूम था कि हम लोग इसमें जाने वाले हैं मेंबर्स ऑफ पार्लियामेंट आए हैं तो द्वार पर आपने रोकने का उनको इजाजत किसने दी?
So that's Digvijay Singh, who was part of the Congress delegation that met with the cops. Can you imagine that our parliament premises turned effectively into a battlefield, a stage for high-voltage political drama and a scuffle as BJP and Congress members of parliament went ahead and fought it out. Simultaneous protests were being held, which quickly turned violent as well. And the kind of images that have come in shows aggressive MPs shouting at each other, fighting it out, and 2 MPs having to be rushed to hospital as well. All of this playing out as a result of course, the controversy surrounding Home Minister Amit Shah's comments on B.R. Ambedkar. But it snowballed into something much, much bigger than that in Parliament today. Let's recap for you how this started and what's happened of late.
Unprecedented scenes outside Parliament. BJP and Congress MPs holding placards came face-to-face at the Makar Dwar, the entry into Parliament on Thursday. The Congress lawmakers were protesting against Home Minister Amit Shah's comments, which they claimed insulted Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. While the BJP MPs were protesting alleged insult of Ambedkar by Congress. Two BJP MPs, Pratap Sarangi and Mukesh Rajput, were injured in the melee. Sarangi was injured on the forehead. He was taken to the hospital where he got up to 5 stitches.
राहुल गांधी एक एमपी को धक्का लगा मेरे ऊपर गिर पड़ा और मैं नीचे गिर गया।
किसने धक्का मारा? राहुल गांधी ने?
हाँ राहुल गांधी ने।
राहुल गांधी ने धक्का मारा?
राहुल गांधी।
कौन सी जगह पे सर? सर किस जगह पे? सर किस जगह पे? किस जगह पे?
सीढ़ी के ऊपर मैं खड़ा हुआ था और राहुल गांधी ने आकर के एक एमपी को धक्का लगाया वो मेरे ऊपर गिर पड़ा और मैं।
कहाँ चोट लगी सर आपको? कहाँ चोट लगी सर? एक बार दिखा दीजिए।
High drama followed as Rahul Gandhi walked up to an injured Sarangi, where BJP MP Nishikant Dubey confronted him.
आपको सर्व नहीं आती है क्या राहुल? क्या सर्व नहीं आती है? क्या सर्व नहीं आती है? गुंडागर्दी करते हो, बूढ़े को गिरा दिया जाता है। इतना कौन सा?
BJP MP Mukesh Rajput, who allegedly fell on Pratap Sarangi, backed his colleague's claim.
और राहुल गांधी सीधे चढ़े आए जबकि किनारे से भी निकल सकते थे, किनारे से फ्लैट से भी रास्ता था, लेकिन हम लोगों के पीछे आए और पीछे राहुल गांधी धक्का देते हुए ऊपर बढ़ रहे तो धक्का आया, हम लोग पीछे साइड में एकदम गिर गए।
Rahul Gandhi denied the charge. The Congress shared videos on social media claiming it was Mallikarjun Kharge who was pushed. The party president also wrote a letter to Rajya Sabha chairperson Jagdeep Dhankar making the same charge.
पार्लियामेंट हाउस के सीढ़ियों पे बीजेपी के एमपी लकड़ियां लिए हमारे सामने खड़े होते हैं, हमें अंदर नहीं जाने देते हैं और उसके बाद अब ये थोड़ा सा अपना फिर से डिस्ट्रैक्शन करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। रियलिटी ये है, इन्होंने अंबेडकर जी का अपमान किया है, उसकी अपॉलॉजी होनी चाहिए और रिजाइन करना चाहिए होम मिनिस्टर को। और जो मेन मुद्दा है जिसको ये मिटाना चाह रहे हैं, घुमाना चाह रहे हैं, मेन मुद्दा है कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी के मित्र अदानी जी के खिलाफ यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स में केस है।
एकदम शांतिपूर्वक प्रोटेस्ट हुए, कितने दिनों से चल रहे हैं, रोज 10:30 से 11। आज पहली बार इन्होंने प्रोटेस्ट किया, सबको रोक दिया और उसके बाद धक्का मुक्की और ये गुंडागर्दी। और अब सिर्फ अमित शाह जी की खाल बचाने के लिए ये अब इन्होंने साजिश शुरू की है कि भैया ने किसी को धक्का मारा, ये वो। मेरी आंखों के सामने आप सब ने देखा होगा, खड़गे जी को धक्का मार के जमीन पे गिराया।
In the Rajya Sabha, BJP MP from Nagaland, Phangnong Konyak, complained to Dhankar that Rahul Gandhi shouted at her.
It was a peaceful protest. I was standing outside. There were a lot of people. Then Sri Rahul Gandhi ji just came in front of me, very close proximity. I felt uncomfortable. And then he started shouting at me, which I did not like. Because there is a certain way the thing should be done.
I received a communication from Konyak, Honorable Member Parliament, and she has met me in my chamber also. I am looking into it. She was literally in tears. According to her, she could never believe that as a lady member, she would have to suffer so much at the hands of another member parliament. I am looking into it.
The BJP filed a police complaint against Rahul Gandhi. The Congress too filed a complaint against BJP.
We have filed a complaint against Mr. Rahul Gandhi for physical assault and incitement.
Meanwhile, Mallikarjun Kharge and TMC MP Derek O'Brien have moved privilege motions against Amit Shah over his remarks made while speaking on Congress ignoring Ambedkar that triggered the entire showdown. With Piyush Mishra, Bureau Report, India Today.